Welkom bij mijn kanaal. Ons gaan verder met onze lessen. Vandaag gaan we praten over emoties. Emotions. Gelukkig. Happy. Kwaad. Luister hoe spreek ik die woord uit. Kwaad means I'm cross. Look at his face. He's cross. Verveeld. He's confused. Or he's bored. Verveeld of bored. Verward. He's not sure. Verward, as you look at the picture, he's scratching his head. He's verward. He's not sure what to do. Blij. Happy. Blij. Trots. Proud. Hartseer. Sad or crying. Hartseer. Bang. He's afraid. Sick. When you're sick. Jaloers. Jealousy or jealous. Verbaas. He's not sure. Is it really so? Hy is so verbaas. Moeg. Tired. Skaam. Shy. Ongelukkig. Not happy or sad. Opgewonde. Happy. So dit is gelukkig, kwaad, verveeld, verward, bly, trots, hartseer, bang, siek, jaloers, verbaas, moeg, skaam, ongelukkig en opgewonde. That's a wrap. See you now.